My name is Matt Winchester. I'm an engineering manager and I've been in the industry for a long time. What brings me a lot of fulfillment in my job is when we are able to work effectively and efficiently and find inefficiencies in how we do things and improve it. Before we adopted Split and we were working through our releases, it was a really painful process. We had our deploy and our release coupled together, so every time that we wanted to do a release, it was a rather large effort to get all of our monolithic servers updated. It would take many hours, and then we would have our new features on, and we wanted to validate to make sure we weren't going to break our customers. So of course we did this in off hours, in the middle of the night, and we worked for many hours to get things deployed and then have all of our teams go in and verify that everything was working properly. It caused a lot of pain for a lot of our engineers. Split was an important piece of that to help us move past some of that frustration and move to something where we can move more free-flowing and more rapidly. The nature of my company, we work with a lot of large enterprise customers, and their appetite for consuming features is one that they don't want to be receiving them all the time. They put a lot of work into the training and documentation about the way that they use our product. That made it very difficult for us to be able to do small changes to production regularly, which we know is an industry best practice. Using Split, we've been able to decouple release and deploy, so we still release only 4 times a year for our enterprise customers, but we can do regular deployments, once or more times a week or daily or however often we want. We were using our own homegrown toggling system that we had written ourselves, and it was one that was difficult enough to use that a lot of teams just frankly didn't use it. When we switched to Split, we had a simpler system to use. Teams were much more able to go in to create a new toggle and to set it up in the code quite easily. And then we also found it was a lot easier to manage. And one of the neatest things is we get new features from Split all the time. I think it's worth investing in not building feature flag capabilities on your own. I think it's really valuable to have a company that will partner with you and help to maintain it. They're going to almost assuredly invest more in it than you are, and they're going to be also there to help make sure that the system's working around the clock. I think a lot of companies think feature flags are a really simple thing and it's just on and off and I can handle this and do it myself, but it turns out having a partner who really understands the space well and is going to watch you to make sure you have good reliability and good feature set and capabilities around it is really valuable. You can focus on your customers, and Split can focus on you and making sure your feature flagging is great. I value Split because on release night, it means I get to spend more time with my family.